Very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in our JMeter series, that is correlation. Okay. What is correlation is, right? Suppose we have dynamically changing values. To handle that, we go for correlation. For example, right, there is a ticket booking site, right? When we book a ticket, first an order number will be generated. Next time we book a ticket, there is a next order might be generated. So the ticket ID will be changing frequently. So if we run the script, due to the changing ID, there might be a failure in the script. Okay, so this might give a failure in a script. That To how to handle that, we go for correlation for dynamically changing values like session ID, right? Order ID, right? Some numbers, right? Right. For example, when we test an API, right? One, if I give a post request, one ID is generated. Next time I give another request, and another ID is generated. So, right, he keeps on changing, right? The new request, the ID gets changed. Hard right? So, to handle that, we go for correlation. Okay, so that is what we are going to see now. Now, let's go and create a new in the plan. We create a you give a plan name, correlation. Okay, I'll in the thread group I'll add threads. Okay, I'll give a thread group. I'll give users. In sampler, I'll give an HTTP request. Okay, in HTTP request, I'll give two requests. Right. Also, I'll give a three request also. One is a post, get, push, or put. Okay. First is a post request. Okay. Next is a get request, and right. Let me change it to the put request also. This also I'll make it as a get request. Okay. Okay. So now I'll give a base URI, the post request, and I'll give a resource also, right? First I'll add the base URI in all three requests, then me give the HTTPS protocol in all three requests. Okay, let me change from post to the get. Okay, now let me copy the resource of all three requests. First is the post request resource, I'll paste it in the path. Then I'll copy the request resource, and I'll paste in the other two resource requests. Okay, now let's go and copy the request body. I'll paste it. Okay, let me change the title, JMeter something. Okay, performance. Okay, okay. Now let me add the listeners also. View results tree and view results table. Hope you watched all the previous videos. Okay, now let me add again listener, view results in table. Okay, now let me run it first 1 minute, check it's working, post request and get all three requests is running, and it's fine. Okay, if you see in the response data, right, I get large set of, it is going to extract all the right this from the server. Okay, So all the IDs from the server is ready to extract. See, if I give a post, one ID is generated. If you know, all notice, right, 25970. When in next time when I request, in another ID will be generated. Okay. If I resend again, see, if we go there, 1 minute. Let me see. Let me see. 1 minute. I'm just checking the last request which is generated. 1 minute. Let me see. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, let me run and try now. I got this right. Performance JMeter. See, now the request ID has been changed now. Okay, this ID keeps on changing each time I give a request. Okay, now we need to handle this. How to handle it? Okay, let me go to the thread group, the request, right, and add, right, post processor here. There is one thing when I should go to the exact request and click add, and I should click go to the post processor. If I go, there is one thing called as JSON extractor. We can also do with regular expression. We'll see in the next videos. Okay. Now I am going for JSON extractor. Okay. In JSON extractor, what I should give is I should create one variable. Okay. Last ID. Then I should create one expression here, okay, to match it. Okay, I give dollar, I give square bracket. You should write an expression so that it's capturing the any ID, the last ID. Okay, I should give -1 dot ID. Okay, it will less it, right? For example, the last ID, it will minus, it will go to the previous ID and it will capture it. Okay, so if I give you minus, first time I'm giving 2, next time 3. If I give -1, what happens? It won't take 3, it will take only the second one, right? That's why I'm giving this. We normally we do in all database Java, right? In our programs what we do, right? -1, it extra leaves the last one and takes the before one. Okay, let me run now. Before that, I'll do one thing. I need to set parameters here. ID, that ID, I should give the last ID here. Take the last ID, extract the last ID alone. Okay. Now run. Let's run. It will take the last ID, last before ID. Okay, am I right? See, you got right. The last before ID it took. Got it right. So this is how we can do, right, catch the dynamic values and avoid failures during our execution. Okay, you can see, right. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye. Meet you soon in the next video.